Hi guys. Yeah, I'm back. So the second thing we're going to be learning is how to design a poster like I told you. So we're just going to go ahead and dive right into it, okay? So to do this, we're going to be needing an application called Poster Maker. So this is it. This is the one we're going to be using. So we're just going to go ahead and open it. So but to do this, you need your data turned on, okay? It doesn't
Welcome
consume
to
any.
Poster Maker.
All right, thank you very much. So it doesn't need you to it doesn't consume a lot of data, okay? Trust me, it consumes just like WhatsApp, just like downloading a WhatsApp picture and all. So that's how it works. So what you need to do here is when you open it, it brings you to this very page. So all these things you see here are categories, types of categories of various businesses and ventures, which you can actually click on any of it to edit. So here you're going to find lots of templates. All you just need to do is edit the templates, look for the one that befits what you want to do and that is also very beautiful. Then you go ahead, get creative with it, put in some really wonderful contents and then save it, and then your poster is ready. So what do we do now? We're just going to design a very random one, anyone at all. So all these things you can design for Instagram. You can design a business poster. You can design uh you can even design a business card with this thing you see here. So it all depends. So real estate, of course, various types. So let's just go into business. Let's assume we want to design a business logo, right? A business poster, sorry. So we're just going to click on business. So when we open this,
Tienes que crear.
that's an ad. They have lots of ads. Oh my god. So it brings you to this page. So you have lots of templates. You can actually click on any of these templates you see here to edit. So before then, I want to show you something. I'll go back. So you see this place down here where you have templates here, this thing. Okay, you're just going to click on it. If you click on it, it takes you to, all right, this app now. Sorry about that. I thought I was going to click. I was mistaking some another application for it. So these things you see we actually showed you are the templates. Actually, it's just trying to tell you that these are the templates. Okay, so we clicked on business, of course.
As a company.
So always take out the ads when they come up. So we're just going to go ahead and select one of these, edit it. I just want you to see how this works. Okay, so anyone, of course, that you see pro on it, you know that it is only available in the pro version of this application. You just need to buy the application, to be able to access this. Okay, so let's assume we want to you just need to look for the free ones. Okay, the free ones are fine, they are also okay, you can use them, they serve the purpose. So we're just going to click on any of them. Let's click on this one, for instance, or better still, I'm not going to use that, I'll use the first one. Let's click on this first one. So it's just going to download the template. This is more like a picture, okay?
As a
Editable
company.
picture. So I cancelled that. So this is it. This is what it looks like. This is a poster. This looks professional, don't it? So what you just need to do is you can change all this text. All this text you see here, you can actually customize them. You can put in whatever it is, whatever information it is you want to put in it. You can customize all this text you see here. You just need to be creative with your words, because the information you put here are the informations people are going to see. They are the information that you want people to see. This thing that is popping up here, you don't want we don't want it now. So you see, this is just all you can do with this. You can even put in your logo here. Okay, this place where you see a logo. So here you don't need a transparent logo, you need a logo that has a bar. Please, when you're designing your logo, try to design two. Okay, design one with a background, design the other one without a background. Okay, so that when you meet a place where you need to put the one with a background, you can put it there to cover certain things. But when you need the one that you just need to place in a plain background, you can just pick the one without a background. Okay, so that's just for notice. Like for this one now, we'll be needing a logo that has a background, right, to cover that thing. So you just, all you need to do is just come to images. When you come to images, that's where you can actually download your this add images. Okay, that's where you can actually upload your a logo. So it asks you to choose image or choose from gallery. So once you click on that, it takes you to your gallery. So for me, let's use the logo that we've just designed moments ago. So I'm just going to click on this one. I actually like this logo, it looks fine. Don't you? So remember all the things that always help it to align. So I'll just go ahead and click on it up there. So I'll just go ahead and click on done. So the logo has been imported into the, work, into the job. So I just need to adjust the size and drag it up to where the logo is supposed to be. Okay, and then when I get that, you can see that my logo is now the one up here and not theirs again. So ensure that it closes. Some of them you won't meet any logo like that, and some of them the logo can be taken out, can be adjusted or deleted. So but for this one, the logo is stubborn, it doesn't want to go anywhere. So all I need to do is cover it up. Okay, so now my logo is there, right? What do I need to now do is put in my own business information here. Okay, this is all you need to do is double click on this. If you double click on it, it takes you to where you can actually text. All you need to do, delete the one that is there and then type in yours. Okay, as easy as that. So let's assume that I just want to introduce web tech. So I'll just be like okay, maybe web tech digital academy. Of course, web tech digital academy, web tech digital. Sometimes I always like to enter it so I can have the next word under WebTech Digital Academy. And I always like to use a capital letter because it comes out bold. So always make yours that way too. I recommend. Okay, just a recommendation. All right, so WebTech Digital Academy, you can actually okay, after getting that, if you want, you can add a background. Sorry about that. So this thing requires a lot of. All right, okay, this is complicated, so I won't wait for that to load up. So let's assume this is what I want to be here. So once I click on it, I can just add maybe a shadow or whatever if I want to just make it come out really nice. So but always, use a color that, always try to use a color that always try to use a color that fits in with your, with the background of the image you're trying to edit, right? So like for this one now, the color isn't so bad, but part of it has gone into the picture, so you won't be able to see. What do you do in a situation like this? All you need to do is add a background to the text. Okay, so what do you do is when you here, right? So you just click on it. Then you can add any color of any background that you want. Like for this one now, I could use a light ash background. Then I want to add or reduce the opacity. This is the opacity down here. It makes the color either transparent or solid. Okay, so I just want to make it a little bit transparent so that it shows my text, right? That's the point that I actually want my text to show. Maybe I want to use a lighter color. is it. So you discover that even if you bring this to this man's face, you can actually see through it. So the point is just helping your text show clearly, right? That's not showing really clearly. So I just want to make it a bit darker, then adjust my opacity. Or another thing, if it's not working, you can just change the text color. Like for that one now, it has a dark color there with a dark opacity, so it's not going to come out really clear. So I'm just going to change the font color to white, right, or light ash. So this is where you can get the colors. Okay, so once you click on it, it brings out the color. So now you're trying to change the text color, not the background color now. So I've been able to change the text color. Maybe I want to leave it in white, or maybe dark ash. Then that's fine. I come back to the background. I want to add the solidity uh, of the background, right? So this is it. This comes out nice now. Maybe I want to use a white color. Yeah. So this comes out really nice now. You can see WebTech Digital Academy, right? So that's fine. I want to add a little bit of shadow to this. I want to add little bit of shadow to this. So I just click on shadow, and so adjust for the shadow in this place. You can actually also add through the opacity, right? You can blur it a little bit if you want. But the thing is, once you adjust it forward a little bit, you can see that your text has come out clearer, right? You see that it's clearer now. So I like it this way. So WebTech Digital Academy. Okay. Now I want to add learn free digital skills for free. Learn free digital skill, or free digital skills, right? Okay, so I double click on it, and then I add my own text. You can also change your font style. Okay, you can also change your font style. It all depends on what you want. So I want this free to come out bold. I want it to come out really bold. Yeah, so yeah, people know it's actually free. People love it when things are free. So that would drag their attention really fast. So for this, I wouldn't want to add any background, right? It is fine because the color fits in. So free, I want to now change this text here, and put in mine. When any of the text that you don't want, all you just need to do is delete it. All right, but for this one, I am going to use it for something else. I'm going to type in digital skills. All right, so this is what I want to be here. So perhaps I want to make this look a little bit different from, okay, and for digital skills. So I want to leave it like this landscape. So perhaps uh I want to add, say, a light background to this, right? What do? I click on this arrow up here. I go to background. I add maybe a light ash or dark ash background, and then I adjust the opacity towards the middle, right? Okay, so when I click on this, see, it brings out a really nice WebTech Digital Academy free digital skills, right? Free digital skills. So it's something I want to add to make this come out really nice. So I want to add a learn, so I'll have to bring this two down. I'll keep this here. So when I bring in the other side, it's going to come in. So I'm just going to add learn. I want to convert this text to learn. You double click on it. I want to change that whole guy to learn. I want to leave that in a capital letter. So, trying to tell them what you can do with digital skills or teaching. So, learn. Yeah, so this comes out really nice. You just need to be creative, okay? In whatever it is you're doing. So, learn free digital skills, right? All right, so I'll just go ahead and put our contact information. To participate. To participate. You can just be doing them one after the other until you get what you want. So to participate. To participate. Or let me just leave this here. To participate. Contact. And I'll go ahead and put my phone number. So remember, this is just for training purposes, okay? I forgot this guy here. Just delete it. Okay, so contact. I also want to make the contact a bit bold. So adjust the size. Some of these things are covering, our editing, but you can just always get rid of them. So contact, you can now just put your number. Perhaps want to add a column here. All right, so you can just enter your contact, click on this add text to put in any text that you don't want to edit. You can just put in your own custom text, so you don't have to edit yours. If you want to put in your own custom text, you can actually put in your own custom text. So this is what I want to be here. So this is very rough though, very rough, trust me. You can just readjust some of this stuff. Okay, just for more space. All right, I want to make this a bit bold because that's actually what you're selling, right? That's what you're selling at the moment. So I can even choose to make it this bold since it's transparent. Or I can also choose to reduce the transparency, right? So we can see through those people's face. All right. So, all right. So, learn free. I may want to add the size of this free. Okay, but since I'm putting it here, I'll have to add a background to it since it's getting on top of those people's body, right? So I can just, use a white background. Okay, so maybe we can just change the color. No, 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 no. Yeah, this is not bad. This is not bad actually. So you see, you can just play around with it. Okay, bring down the opacity a little bit. The point is getting what you actually want. So when you play around with it a lot, you're definitely going to find what you want. Maybe that's text color. We want to change it to this. Yeah, and change that to this. It fits into the background, right? Yeah. So I'll make the free big too, so people can actually see that it's free. So I hope this is making sense to you. You know, you want to also say like this shouldn't be too big though. So so this is basically it on free digital skills. All right, to participate. Remember, I told you this buggy stuff. I will just give you time to bring it down. Okay, so contact then my phone number. All right, so you can just come up with something really nice like this, something really nice, and adjust it whichever way you want it to be. Change the color to whatever you want it to be. So let me assume this is what I put my color to be. Yeah, so I also want to add a little bit of shadow to my color here. So once I click on shadow, I want to turn up the opacity a little bit. That's a bit too much. No, go back. So this is a bit too much. I just want to reduce it a little bit so it fits perfectly. Yeah, so this is not bad. So I think our poster is as good as ready. I believe you followed my step one after the other. So by the time you can just get really creative, design anyone at all that you want. Design anyone at all. Follow the same procedures that I've just shown you. You'll be able to design any poster, come up with really beautiful and professional looking. So imagine I post this on Facebook, people look at it. Webtech Digital Academy, learn free. Oh my god, I just deleted that line. Let me add it back. Okay, yeah, so maybe I want to add a little bit of shadow to that. Reduce the opacity, change the color to white. No, I want to change the color to white and the background to, yeah. Oh yeah, so this is okay. So the reason why I just added that is so it can be seen clearly. Okay, so as I hope this is good. This looks beautiful. So imagine posting this on Facebook or Instagram, anywhere, okay, with your contact on it, and people want to learn free digital skill. They are going to contact you. Okay, so that's just how to create stuff like this. So I believe this was easy. So I'm coming your way with a bonus. I'm going to teach you another application, how to use how to design some more professional looking that's not supposed to be part of this program, but I'm giving that to you as a bonus. So that will come next, okay?
So until then, have a blessed day. So when you're done with this, just go ahead and save. Click on save above here. So it saves. Once this thing comes up, just take it off, delete it. Okay, it's not. So your work is saved. If you go to your gallery, you can see it. Now if you click on any of these social links here, you can actually share it to any of your social media pages. Okay, right? So that's pretty much how to do this. So just have a blessed day until I come your way again, right? Thank you.